application that I really like on my iPad. So if you notice, I have tons of applications. The one that I really enjoy is called Inspiration. So if I tap on it, I'll go ahead and bring it up. What this is it is a great mind mapping application. So if I click on here, I'm going to go through. This is the one that comes with this diagram style and format options. What's really nice about this is you can move these. This, you can add new ones. So if I tap here, connecting links, and I drag this out, I now have a new little box, and I can type something in here. You can tell it's just mumbo jumbo. Then it's in, and there you go. Now I can also tap on that same little box that I have, and up here where the little eye is at, I can tap on that. I can change the fill color to any color that I want. Keep in mind, if you do the darker colors, you would need to make the text a little bit darker. But you want to be cautious of that because there's this really cool feature. If you change your text white, I found that it causes problems. So there's this really cool feature. Once you've built your mind map like this, then at the top where you see the little circles, there's these little lines. So if I tap on that, it switches it over, and now we have an entire list here. So it turns your mind map into a list. And if the text is in white, guess what? The text is in white on this little list as well. So you want to be really careful about putting white text. So where this comes in useful is I have used it to put together my daily task list. Right here, major tasks to complete. Now I've just added these in. Let's see what else. What else do I need to do? Create a task list. So what this for me helps me do is, as I'm thinking, as I'm going throughout my day, it's an easy way for me to jot things down. Later, if I decide that I need to organize them, I can actually connect these like that. So I can interconnect and say this one I just don't need. Hold my finger down, I delete it. Now to connect that one again. So this now becomes a subtask of that. So this may be a subtask, and this one may need to be connected over here, but not to these. So it really kind of helps you through your thought process. You know, maybe you have to get my business plan done before I can do whatever this thing is here. Or maybe my business plan needs to be done before I get my website updated. But you know what? Maybe I need to create a task list based off of my business plan. And part of that goes towards my website update. So there's all these things that you can do. And look, it looks almost like a pretty star that you can do with this. It shows you all the information that's been entered in. So that is, it's called Inspiration. I believe it was probably about $7 in the App Store. Great little addition for my iPad. Absolutely love it. Totally worth the money. I use it on a regular basis. If you actually see here in my list here, I have where it says June 3rd copy. Basically, I've created a task list, and I copy it every day, and then I change the date. So right now I'm on June 10th. I've changed the date. It has all this stuff that I need to do. When I'm done with a task, I black it out. It allows me to easily copy and transfer tasks, that sort of thing. So anyway, great idea. Great tool. Comes with a lot of different pre-made templates. This is usually used for schools, but business, man, it's definitely worth it. But it has a lot of essay outlines and has different setups. You can apply these to your business however you need. I usually start from scratch, but it's really neat to see all of these different pre-made templates for you to use. So once again, this is called Inspiration. It is a great little tool that I use, and I hope that you can use it in your business as well. Thanks for joining me today.